What's good, math family? In today's EOC Test Prep series, we're going to take this quadratic equation from standard form to vertex form by completing the square. And I'm also going to show you guys how to actually complete the square to solve and the graph for this. So when we look here, guys, we should know that regular factoring is not going to work. Yes, we could use the quadratic formula, but our first step to complete the square is subtracting 22. So we have x squared plus 10x is equal to negative 22, right? Now we know to complete the square, half of our b is 5. 5 squared is 25. So we have x squared plus 10x plus 25 is equal to negative 22 plus 25. Now we break this back down to the binomial, right? So x plus 5 is what we square to get this perfect square trinomial, and this is equal to positive 3. Now let's pause right here, family. If we were taking this from standard form to vertex form, we're basically done right here. We just need to subtract 3. So when we come now, we're going to have x plus 5 squared minus 3 is equal to 0. So now this is the vertex form for this quadratic equation, okay? So what exactly does this mean? Glad you guys asked. So when we have a regular quadratic and we have the parent graph, meaning just the original graph, right? Y is equal to x squared, where our vertex is 0, 0. To get from this graph to this, right, we know HK is our vertex. So we'll go to the left 5, down 3, and this is how we'd use transformations to graph the new quadratic or the new parabola. So what point is this? Right here. Negative 5 for x, negative 3 for y. So if they ask us for the domain, all real numbers, it's going to cover the entire x-axis, right? If we ask for the range, we know range is going to be bracket 3, negative 3, I'm sorry, to infinity. Lowest point on this graph is 3, and all the numbers that are greater than 3 are going to be included. So please make sure you guys understand that part, right? Standard form, vertex form. Now, let's go back and finish solving this problem. All right, so let's erase this. And we're just going to pick up basically from right here where we drew this line. So what happens now? You guys know, to solve and get an answer, we're going to use the square root method, right, to get rid of that power. So now I have x plus 5 is equal to what? Plus or minus the square root of 3. So now I isolate x, I'm sorry, by subtracting 5. And we know x is equal to what? Negative 5 plus or minus the square root of 3. So if you're on your EOC or your final exam using completing the square, our quadratic equation answers or roots would be this. And if they're talking about taking it from standard form to vertex form, you guys now know how to do that as well. Really hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, smash the like button for us. Comment down below if you have questions or want to see similar videos to this topic. And like I said, math family, thank you for joining our EOC Test Prep series with Algebra 1 with Mr. Peters.